Hi and welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna work on that seat pan area, kind of get it all sanded down and see what that brake looks like. Maybe it'll be more defined once it's all flattened in one color. That's what I want to kind of work on tonight, and maybe the transmission tunnel right there about where the new floor pan goes in, and just that general area. Just get it all cleaned up so we can get ready to put the new parts in. They're sitting on the Healy over there. Anyways, let's get to it. I think I'm going to concentrate on this area tonight. Try to get all that sanded down and see what that kind of bend right there is, or how it looks once it's all cleaned up. And I like to go around the edge here and up and then down here and see what that looks like. Anyways, that's my plan for this evening, is mainly this area. That didn't go quite as planned, but I think it did knock some of that, just the nastiness off of it. So it should be easier to sand. Just gotta figure out how to get down these grooves. I don't think that little 2-inch sander will get down in here without it trying to jump out. I can use it on the tops though. So far it looks alright. My main concern, you can see that little bit of rust popped up there, and that looks like a hole over there. But other than that, I think the bed might be alright. We'll work on these tubs. And I got me a dirt daughter's nest up there again. Can't seem to keep these out of here. I'm gonna drain the water out of the tank, so maybe we can use that a little bit longer next time. But so far, you can tell by the light, there's a hump here. It seems to not be so bad up here, and it just gets worse as you get closer to the inner fender. But still on the fence about what to do with the pillar. I gotta get a hold of my guy I'm gonna use to do the paint and the finish sanding. I may get him to see if he'll fix all this for me and let me film it, so y'all know how he does it, and maybe help you with your floors and pillars and kick panels and inner outer rockers, because he's been doing it for years, and I don't know if he'll come to the shop and let me film him. But anyways, I'll talk to him about it and see how much he'll charge and see if he'll even do it. But if anybody knows anything about getting that stuff out, please let me know. I'm ready for that to be gone. And I think coming up soon we may get under the Bronco and pull the wiring harness from the front all the way to the rear tail lights. And we need to drop, I can't really see it too well, this rear tank. And I'm sure there's the strap, and then we can drop that drop that filler neck too. But my plan is to I can't see it very well, but it's all dirty and rusty under here, but I'm wanting to paint everything, make it a really nice Bronco is my goal. So I don't know how long it's going to take. And I am going to keep these style of rims. I kind of like the wagon wheel look, but I'm hoping I can bead blast these and reuse them. It's going to powder coat them. I think they're all okay except for spots like this that have to be, fixed. But we'll get to that eventually. And these tires are brand new. Well, they're not new anymore, but I mean, I bought them brand new. And I'd like to get this thing driving before they dry rot. Anyways, I think that might do it for me tonight. I don't feel like I got much accomplished, but we'll get this all squared away this week and just keep going across and going up that way and just trying to get stuff knocked out. Anyways, I think that'll do it for me tonight. It's already going on 1 o'clock. I gotta get up and go to work in the morning. So this week we'll concentrate on the floors, seat pans. I'm gonna get a hold of my body guy, see if he can't help me with the pillar and the kick panel and all that mess. And we'll go from there. Hopefully he'll let me, well, hopefully he'll do it, and hopefully he'll let me film him so you can kind of see how he does it. And we'll just keep on going. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I say, it helps the channel out tremendously, and it really keeps me motivated. And I'd like to get this finished within a couple of years. I hope, hopefully faster. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next.